Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making hair masks using just two ingredients. Our first ingredient is aloe vera. I've already washed and soaked it inside water for 1 hour. Before using your aloe vera, make sure to soak it for like 30 minutes so the yellowish part of it which cause itchiness of the scalp can remove. So after soak it, then I'm going to go ahead and cut it, then scoop out the gel into my mortar for easy blend. The next ingredient is avocado. Yes, we are using avocado for this mask. All you have to do is to cut your avocado, then scoop it out into your blender. I'm using mortar because here in Nigeria there's no light and I have to wash my hair that very day, so I have no option than to use mortar to blend my hair mask. So if you are using blender, just scoop out the avocado inside your blender with aloe vera, then blend it. So after pounding it for a while, this is how it looks like. Then I'm going to strain it out using a wig cap. You can use a cheesecloth, stocking, just anything with tiny holes that can hold the particle. So after straining it out, this is how it looks like. The next thing I add is coconut oil. I add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to it. You can add any oil of your choice, either olive oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. Then mix it together so it can combine together. Onto the application, I just shampoo my hair, then I apply this in section. Make sure you apply this in section and make sure you apply it from the roots of your hair to the tips. Aloe vera contains enzyme that can help remove dead skin cells from the scalp, allowing for healthier hair growth. It also nourishes hair follicles with essential vitamins and minerals. By strengthening hair follicles and potentially slowing down hair shedding, aloe vera can help reduce hair loss. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer, helping to condition dry and damaged hair, leaving it soft and manageable. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory property, can help calm itchy scalp, potentially reducing dandruff and promoting a healthier scalp environment. Avocado offers several benefits for hair due to their rich content of healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. These nutrients help hydrate and moisturize the hair, leading to softer, shinier and more manageable strands. Avocado hair masks offer several benefits, including deep moisturizing, straightening hair and reduce frizz. They are rich in natural oil and fatty acid that can nourish the hair and scalp, promote healthy growth and prevent breakage. Additional avocados contain vitamins and minerals that can help improve hair overall quality and shine. It contains biotin, a B-complex vitamin that can help promote healthy hair growth. It also provides protein and amino acid that can strengthen hair strand and reduce breakage. Avocado can help reduce appearance of dandruff by moisturizing the scalp. It can also act as a natural sunscreen for hair, protect it from sun damage. Using avocado hair mask is very good for hair growth. Make sure you shampoo your hair before apply it and apply essential. Not forget to apply it on your edges. Our edges need it more. So after I apply it on my hair, all I have to do is to cover my hair with a plastic bag, then leave it for 30 minutes so it can penetrate onto my hair, then wash it out with a water, then followed by my moisturizing routine. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, then turn on the notification bell so you can be the first person to notify whenever I post a new video. Then see you guys in my next video. Bye.